Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you two more activities that you can do with a camping theme with your preschoolers or kindergartners in your classroom or at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to video 6 on our camping theme. For our first activity today, we have a fine motor activity and we're going to make a hammock. What you will need for this are small pieces of fabric and holes punched into the fabric already. You will then use string to thread through the holes and then tie the strings together to make a hammock that they can hang wherever they would like. Our second activity, we are also going to make a hammock. For this activity, we are going to create trees on paper. You're going to use sponges to make the leaves of the tree. You will pre-cut a hammock out of paper, glue that between the trees, and let the children draw strings that attach to the trees. Thanks for watching those video ideas. I hope you enjoyed them, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. I will see you next time. Bye.